Hi, this is Rich Christensen of Wood & Wood Products Magazine. I'm here today with Mike Johnson of Biesse America at the Biesse America headquarters in Charlotte, North Carolina. And today Mike Johnson is going to tell us a little bit about super finishing units on wide belt sanders. Mike?
Sure, Rich. In today's market, what we're finding is that customers are demanding several different options. We're seeing the finish quality being asked by the customer dramatically increasing over what it was even 10 years ago. 10 years ago, kitchen cabinet finishes did not necessarily look like furniture finishes. Now we're seeing that more in common, where they want their kitchen cabinet finish to be similar to their furniture finish. To reach that, we go to what is called a super finishing unit. With a super finishing unit is simply a chevron belt that is running on the inside of an abrasive paper on a pad or platen unit on a wide belt sander. With the super finishing unit, you achieve several different aspects as finish quality. You will achieve a much higher finish quality as far as the scratch pattern left by the pad unit itself. With the new engineered vertical grain structures that we're seeing in the veneers, we need a much straighter scratch pattern than what we had to in the past. On a typical pad unit, you get a long, wavy scratch pattern. With the super finishing unit, you get a much shorter scratch that is straight. So it stays in the grain direction of the vertical grain. Okay? The next feature that it does, it's also going to help in your cross grain scratching of any type of kitchen cabinet door or entry door, or even face frame. If you are a customer that's looking to remove the cross grain scratching, with a simple chevron belt, you're going to reduce the amount of hand sanding needed anywhere from 50 to 60% as far as the amount of hand sanding required to remove the cross grain scratching by simply having a chevron belt or a super finishing unit on your machine. This is technology that has been around for 15-20 years, but in the past you had to buy a $300,000 machine to afford this type of technology. But like all machines, we're starting to see that technology driven down into smaller and smaller machines. Now for $80,000, $90,000, $100,000, you can get into a machine that has a chevron belt. So it's made it much more affordable to the smaller shops. The smaller shops also are looking to do more finishing, as they are, custom is starting to dominate custom work with custom finishes. And the chevron belt also helps improve your sealer sanding when you start to do your own finishing. So when you apply your sealer and want to do your sealer or lacquer sanding, it has some tremendous benefits in that as well.